What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are about to unbox this Enerzen advanced portable air purification system. Just got this. So this is gonna head off into the Titan so we can see if it's gonna get rid of any of the smells that are in there. Let's see if this stuff really works. All right, so here's what we got in the box. Instructions. Okay, this is the unit. This is how it comes packaged. So we got the settings, and on the back side we got a plug. So we're gonna go ahead and read the instructions before we get this thing started. Okay, so this is how we're gonna run it. We're gonna run through this back window here, get the power cord in. So we'll be back in 3 hours to see how this car smells. Okay, so the smell is pretty strong after it's been treated. It's been sitting for about 3 hours. The book says to let it air out for at least 40 to 60 minutes after treatment. So we're gonna let this thing air out for another hour and then come back and check on it. All right, so it's been an hour. The car's been aired out. I can still smell a little bit of the lingering of the ozone generator. So I'm gonna hit it with some Ozium, lock it up, and then check on it after. Okay, so the verdict's in. The car's been airing out. I sprayed some Ozium in here. I've opened it up again to air out some more. And I can say the smell has successfully left the building. I could have probably ran this machine for maybe about an hour, hour and a half, and it'd probably still been good because the smell wasn't that strong. Overall, very pleased with the product. Car smells much better. Ready to make it your own. This is your boy BT. Hope this video helped you out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.